Okay, so we're here at the Deepal booth. So this is the SO5. It's priced at 1.588 for the full EV. They also have the REEV, range extended EV, so 1.688. So this is the SO5. That's the SO5. It's a new brand, newly launched in the Philippines. I think it will rival the EX5, I think, yeah. EX5s. I think yun yung ano niya. Or the Teslas maybe. I don't know. I'm not familiar with Tesla models. But I've heard a lot of um, good reviews from the UK and Australia, I think. Yeah, but mostly sa UK. Heard a lot of good reviews. So here's a walk around of the Deepal S05. Got a nice back. Ganda ng tail light. Tapos 20-inch rims. So 20-inch rims. Frameless din yung ano niya, windows sa door. I think it's nice the presyo siya na 1.5, 1.6 still because maraming full EVs ngayon na yung mga bagong full EVs ngayon is priced at 1.7 above. Yun. So someone is still inside. Gusto ko sana i-check. So let's check that later na lang. Here's another colorway for the SO5 or S05. Sorry. Very nice tail light. Okay, so a lot of people are interested on the S05. So a lot of good reviews from the UK, pero it's a newly launched brand in the Philippines. So here's the front fascia. I know these grills open up for yung ano bang tawag nila doon? Kasi walang front grill, 'di ba, yung EV kasi wala na siyang ano. It's a very nice car. Hopefully it will sell good and hopefully okay yung after sales in Deepal, but it's under AutoHub Group. So I think it's really reliable for the after sales. So we'll see. May top. So here's the interior for the Deepal S05. Medyo wala pala siyang ano dito. Walang ano ba tawag dito? Basta yung info something here. It's all here. This large monitor. Alam ko natitilt siya. Alam ko natitilt to paharap sa driver and then also paharap sa passenger. So charging cups. Is the center console. Very deep. I don't know if you can see it, but it's very deep. I like the interior color. Very panoramic sunroof. How's the at the back?
Feels very comfortable.
Medyo naka-tilt back kasi yung ito eh. So kaya parang ang sikip dyan.
But I don't feel like I'm cramped in here.
Doesn't feel cramped. Okay. That's good.
No, maybe because of the headrest.
Mababa.
Nasa mababa lang siya.
Very nice. Very plush. This is price 1.588. I think for 1.588, not bad.
I think it's very premium feeling inside.
Yeah.
Here at the back.
Yeah, premium fee. For 1.5, not bad.
Although I'm not sure if I like the color of the interior.
Ay, alam ko meron silang all black eh. Yeah, it's really nice. It's really nice. So here's the front of the S05. Pretty good. Malaki siya, malaki. So, pwede na. Meron din na mga ano sa likod. So, see? Example. It's a nice car. Pwede na talaga.